I'm your Meena ma'am, and today we are going to start our class with a guessing game. Can you guess the sound? A, O, A, O. Can you guess the letter? Yes, tell me. Yeah, the letters are A, E and O. Which letter? A, E and O. A, E and O. A, E and O. A, O. A, O. Yeah. Today we are going to learn the middle sound of letters, right? Today what we are going to do you know? We are going to do an activity related to sorting the middle sound. But do you know what is middle sound? Can you tell me? Oh, you don't know? No problem. I'll tell you. Which letter is this? D, O, G. Which letter? Which word they make? Dog. D, O, G. But do you know what is the middle sound in this word? Dog. Do you know? Okay. O is the middle sound. I'll tell you. D is gone. G is gone. Which sound left? O. So O is the middle letter. Which letter? Middle letter. Okay. D, O, G. O is the middle letter. O. Okay. Dog is the word and O is the middle sound. Dog is the bird and in this word O is the middle sound. Let's see one more example. Which word is this? P, E, N, pen. P, E, N, pen. What is the middle sound? It's E. P, E, N. So E is the middle sound. Okay? E is the middle sound. Now you know what is the concept of middle sound. So now we will do an activity. Now kids, we are going to do an activity related to the middle sound. I made 3 boxes. Box for A, E and O. I will show you the pictures and you will tell me the middle sound of those pictures. Okay? First box will have the pictures of sound A, E. Okay? And the second box will have the pictures of sound E. And the third box will have the pictures of sound O. Box, like box. Okay? So I am showing you this picture. What is this? This is a pan. What is this? Pan. P-A-N. Pan. What is the middle sound? A. So this is going to be in the first box. P-A-N. Pan. P-A-N. Middle sound is A. P-A-N. Pan. What is this? This is hen. What is this? This is a hen. H-A-N. So the middle sound is A. H-A-N. So it's going to be in the second box. H-A-N. Hen. Okay? And now I'm going to show you the picture of this. What is this? What is this? This is a box. B-O-X. B-O-X. Box. It will go to the box column number 3 or box 3, right? B-O-X. Box. Now which picture? This is a den. 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 So it will go to the box number 2. Den. 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 Middle sound is A. Okay. Next picture is this. What is this? What is this? This is a fan. 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 So it will go to the column of sound A. Fan. 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 Middle sound is A. Pan. Fan. In these words, this middle sound is A. Right? And these pictures are of hen and den. Hen, den. Sound of E is den. Den. Hen. And the third column have box. Box. What is this? This is dot. Middle sound is O. Dot. What is the middle sound? O. This will go to this column. O. Dot. Middle sound is O. Dot. So kids, this was the activity of sorting the middle sound. I hope you enjoyed the activity. Try this activity at your home. Kids, we will meet in the next class. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye-bye. Happy learning, kids. Have a fun learning. Bye-bye.